saying that and another day your boss a small god.
What abandon the push for a third term for John Mahama?
I never.
What they are two baby?
I never. Also we are records.
No, me Busa me make a statement.
Was some
have you abandoned?
And I'm saying I never called for a third term for John Mahama. I only called for an end to term limits, whether it's today, whether it's after John Mahama, whether it's Baumia president, whether it's Asi Dunkatia president. I'm saying that in another.
Messi on answer na ba ye hu se kraman na mo de no na frafrafo awie Messi na Addo danko akufaro emre bi beba no ye be ko ni fie ye be ko na Addo danko akufaro ni fie na ye ko swaro de yesi kon e de na chini amanama nyina se ono na ye president ya wa magana adie anitie enwoma sua atumpon enne A plus Yankopon no kwarefo on se wa ma host no asempa host no obi kwapon ho adwiri no wo se wan sori anka se John Domani Mahama for 30 no so wan ka bi ade scanner na open man farm A plus scanner na open free and this for no e se o man farm enti se unka mom biem
abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba e de baga na nsem TV so but mo de so be like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba also on sa ebitima kabi na also watch the wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me e ofen na person boan which are through number na wase no adaroma in sabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pa so na another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media. And it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now, me share video no. I decided me for free. Me say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be me say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadian Bay, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, not of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Saying that and another day your boss a small god.
What abandon the push for a third term for John Mahama?
I never.
What they are two baby?
I never. Also we are records.
No, me Busa me make a statement.
Was some
have you abandoned?
And I'm saying I never called for a third term for John Mahama. I only called for an end to term limits, whether it's today, whether it's after John Mahama, whether it's Baumia president, whether it's Asi Dunkatia president. I'm saying that in another.
Messi on answer na ba ye hu se kraman na mo de no na frafrafo awie Messi na Addo danko akufaro emre bi beba no ye be ko ni fie ye be ko na Addo danko akufaro ni fie na ye ko swaro de yesi kon e de na chini amanama nyina se ono na ye president ya wa magana adie anitie enwoma sua atumpon enne A plus Yankopon no kwarefo on se wa ma host no asempa host no obi kwapon ho adwiri no wo se wan sori anka se John Domani Mahama for 30 no so wan ka bi ade scanner na open man farm A plus scanner na open free and this for no e se o man farm enti se unka mom biem hey Yankopon kwane no kwarefo na Mahama for 30 no e video agiegu mahu say we incompetent onye obi odi wani to no so betima deliver the amount onye the right person so ultimate president kwampo maybe to say Ghana so and then Addo your boss A plus na ekasa asen we A plus una okasa asen we ana AI because mentase A plus asen Addo ye e boss small god Addo your small god A plus A plus na ti one there obi busarama mi biem say A plus na ti asempa hono e ka se na Addo the small god eni panche na we afi asemo eni panche me say obi a oka enoma bi e ho nsem fata atantan de atrosem kontomposam atem ene nyana nyankopon ene dini jagu Sam George so a Sam George noma ene yigu no ene A+ so ko onu musam se nanado we small god nanado nyankopon osum na oni uhwamoda minim papa no na dia ana nyankopon ono ko osum na o deliver no man tem sa minim delivery guy a nanado nyankopon yizi a ono de o deliver no man ten sa na tanfo kan nanum nsam ten sa ye pesa god ni bi me wokura dwirime me like me won dwirime me ntimi kwa pon kasa like my speechless A+ eya wono no then for say afede mahun kontompo afede mahun say obi bielo ye John Dramani Mahama yodum obi bielo ye end for yodum edi tumi share the sam and the confession time no omunyina confess A+ net yes nanado danko akufu ado small god or ye boss minim se ka odi ani die accolade a big respect be man nanado si anka manye ni da so betumi abona nanado adodanko akufu ado din amane big shout out say that A+ una wakasa san Miss ND's party no like I say bon the woman try do ho fra na bon sama start the way nyuma NDC o de ho don NDC na bon sama start no de wo nyuma no de wo kan no mani kwasa wo kan no wo kan semfo na odidi mpanifo atem by spirit ni free mu kakranka na fe na wani ba ho so say de bi wayira me say you to know my own NDC time will come no omunyina they will run away from the party because our party nin can create a trofo and everyone the moment na obey do don sa party no na ya do nyansan ya do adwene afihorum na afidi atrosem na da ye kan atrosem a no wagedi ye kan na ndasem a no wagedi sa na party na kwakoye A+ nyankopon kwana na akofo adodanko nyankopon me dawasi na adodanko nyankopon awsom na ne oye nyame awde no to so a uni uhwamo da A+.
A+ say Mahama no kwafo esan asemwe a okoka fa galamse momenti sa asem
the pace aye kono are you confident?
Yes, with John Mahama.
With
John Mahama, I'm very confident.
What has he done amounts our confidence?
I hope I answer to question we. John Mahama yeah.
Amounts our confidence no. So bet me the drew.
Then say ono friends John Mahama on control.
Sir.
Na say obeka asem and I was so excited. Or say on to me cancer galam say nkrofo ni ye bi. It takes a lot of courage to say that. So for a president to say that, me mean to me cancer nkrofo say ya we party we for kwa na omo de omachi eja omo aba no we for kwa. It takes a lot for a president to be that truthful. Okay? Obi enu oto abama NDC just because onim say Ghana ebedane heaven. Obi enu oto abama NDC because or expect say Ghana bedane obi oto abama NDC bia bebre na no omo to abano because of one obi hu ehi. And two omo expect say at least e bit me aye honest kakra to amanipa no. Why na say onim say Mahama be president yakra say CD e be do na nka plan no. We didn't even know about this. We didn't obi no expect say CD be stabilize it. O could be so be say CD na stabilize no. Just for a short period, for a brief period. For a brief period and solve a problem baby. John Mahama then why yenti me hope CD is stabilizing even if it is for a brief period. Hasn't it solved a lot of problems? Now say for brief period that 1 minute man for now omo ye brief period no ye omo want for obi to me brief period to me want for 3 but as anti brief period to me yield the positive results and John Mahama has done extremely well and he has given us hope adia ba ko amichi ene se de bia ban sesa ene o man ni ye broko o man ni sika na son sa de no na yesidi ni ye ye be kasa sa na wo se wo kro ni ye wo sika ni ye who better than investors aba so me from sika mbra bibia enye no
na say aban mu for can John Mahama nkasa can be
yes but ono all can ono all can na o ye adwuma aka ho see the mistake anka see the nka dollar no be ko 5 o enye just talk o ye Internal, so your investor no do seek baha. You know that the currency is stable and it is strong.
Yeah.
What I say?
Yeah.
In this country, it got to a time people were taxing. The government was taxing faith and belief. Belief. To build a country, we had to tax belief and faith. The belief that Arsenal was called Chelsea was taxable. Of course. So you say like me jidi se boy ya ekogbo me hwempa Chelsea be Arsenal aban se man bi. And you say we di awie o, wudi o wendi o. Wo twa nkwa dia magibi. Because we this can upload this canon.
The tax was on the winnings.
But we be upload this canon. Ne we be upload this canon. Sikana wo de
what winner ye betua.
Now we won twa bet
10%.
Won twa bet.
Yes, mean trap bus sanity.
Na woni untwa ye pon am chirichiri untwa bet sika no be upload wo app no so wonu sika no to wona se won fe ntwa bet no be so the talk credit cry yet e levy
say no nye bet nta
na cry yet abanye ti ubi say ade no wo upload say wo de kwatwa bet na bi wasa san wadme okay me ntwa bet pesa me send ma obi abanye se ma me bi it is kan kodu onko ade abanye ba gibi it me buy e levy ni mu me try the kind of money economy a bibia ye kodu ye for this government to be able to come here. There is no excuse for Ghana to be a poor country, and this government is proving. Atufosen, Dr. Siama, His Excellency the President, they are proving to everybody every day. They prove to everybody that it can be done. They are laying a foundation for others to come and build on. John Mahama has shown clearly that we don't have. Okay, let me ask you a question. Say Elon Musk by Ghana. No better gold mine on too good no only send the we are the net worth I appreciate it. Elon Musk can come here buy a gold mine. Even before he mines the gold, his net worth will appreciate just for buying the gold mine. And Ghana has all the gold, so why are we poor? Somebody can just come and buy a gold mine, not mine the gold, but his net worth will appreciate. And you have all the gold and you are poor. Why? Ghana must not be a poor country, and you see the difficulty. And they say, so we are the papa, and so that is the only area where they will always attack. International median fees under so much attack because that is what will build Ghana. We have to build Ghana with our own gold. Our gold has built many countries. And it is time we build our country with our own gold. And gold board is one of the most sensible things that any human being has done. Omukasa was doing gold for oil. That was the idea. He also had an idea, but it was not structured in this way. So they know that the gold will work for us. The whole attack is on gold board because the gold board succeedia omumba power. Sana
That's it. You don't lose power just because you can be very successful and still lose power. You know that.
No.
You've been around for a long time.
Success was also very successful.
Until you can do Nyoma or Manfo Bebre and still lose power.
A Manfo Bebre what percentage? Why is the Bebre no energy when you are losing? It's not possible. Once you lose power, we are the Manfo Bebre energy.
Okay. I will give an example. I mean, a lot of people thought President Kufuor did very well. Meboa. You even believe he did very well as president. Meboa.
Oh, yeah, familiar.
But after 8 years, on that same party's ticket, somebody you also believed in, Addo, as flag bearer of the NPP, lost power. Even after Ghana for Jitum Sekofo, Abeya, the new maybe a bar, they revolutionary, but still the NPP lost power.
ABS President Kufuor quarter tema.
Akobe
winning. Character no mo de buy no, and when they lose power no, na Ghana form pay.
In 2008.
Yes, near the buy na after bed daddy, a bed manifest here, so won't see a catch and say we yempe and a bed daddy, and untina 38 buy the same character na 38%.
We a member of parliament.
Yes.
You don't rehash propaganda.
Okay.
It is not 38%.
Yes,
41.7.
I mean,
that's the official gazetted result.
Okay, Martin.
Yes. And I think that's what you have to go with.
38. Who gazette no way?
The Gazette, the EC Gazette.
I would know why.
Send me new has
you the bar 38. Yeah, I'm so why try and say with 38 to us.
Oh, Obi free house of records say now. Okay.
No, we record award them have been here. Who knew record no.
You don't know say easy a gazette
election. Young Casam. I 38.
It is okay, so say because say A plus over central unya 2,000 votes.
Upa Casam 1,000. Upa Casam 1,000. You can be a family. No, Upa be a Casam and Yame. No, Upa Casam 100 and a family.
Inti Nanado was your friend.
Yes.
Is he still your friend?
Oh, Nanado, I like him as a person. People don't understand.
Do you talk to him?
That be.
But you used to talk.
No, a big man. What's Nanado do a big man? It's no, or your boss. What a friend. One can you Nanado your boss? Your boss and any year. Your mama no ya down for. Hey, your mama do the whole gun. You be a down for.
But Nanado
your boss. Hey, it's was an Indian Nana. Hey,